Hey friends, thanks for joining me. ETPC here. I'm doing a unboxing on the Meco portable LED desk lamp. Alright, so here we got is the box. And let's open it up, shall we? Got this little tab here. Open that. Come on. Try to open the front here. Right. Okay, so far. Pull that open. Let's see what we got. Right. And that's it, my friends. That's all in the box. Okay, so here is the deal. Oh, my goodness, I almost didn't see that. So, it comes with this light here. And also, don't see any instructions. And it has an LED. I'm sorry, a USB. I got my acronyms messed up there. Charger. So I'm not sure if it needs to be charged first, but I like the design. It looks pretty cool. You know, just kind of a neat little conversation piece maybe. So I'm gonna get this thing charged up, and we'll be doing a review soon. So once again, that is the Meco portable LED desk lamp. So I'll be putting a review video out, and I'll put the link to it in the description below. So thanks for watching, my friends.